All side windows can be opened or closed from the driver's side control panel. To open a window, push down on the appropriate switch. To close, pull it up. To stop the opening or closing at any point, simply let up on the switch. Each passenger window has its own control switch, located on the door side panel. To use your automatic windows, push the switch down completely and release for the window to fully open. Pull the switch up to the highest position, then release, and the window will fully close. To stop the opening or closing at any point, push or pull the switch in the opposite direction. The power window lockout feature prevents passengers such as small children from accidentally opening windows. When the window lock button is depressed, the rear window switches will not operate. Press the button again to cancel the window lock feature. When the ignition is turned off, power to the windows continues for a period of time. If either front door is opened within that period, power to the windows is canceled. If the power window automatic function, closing only, does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the power window system. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.